Welcome to the Natural Life channel. Today, I'll share with you a new natural fertilizer method that is simple, safe, and highly effective. I hope this gentle recipe will give you more options to care for your orchids, keeping them healthy, green, and always blooming beautifully right at home. Step 1. Checking the orchid and its growing medium. When you have a young orchid from a nursery pot or are about to repot a mature orchid, the very first thing to do is check the growing medium. If the medium looks old, decomposed, or waterlogged, remove it completely. But if it's still in good condition, we can simply treat and reuse it safely. For today's demonstration, my young orchid still has a good quality medium, so I'll treat and keep it for reuse. Step 2. Preparing a natural disinfectant solution. To treat the old medium, prepare about 1 liter of clean water. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the water. Baking soda is a natural disinfectant that gently sterilizes the growing medium without harming the delicate orchid roots. Stir until the baking soda is completely dissolved. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming orchid care tips. Step 3. Treating the orchid leaves and roots after preparing the baking soda solution. For young orchids, gently dip the leaves into the solution for about 10-20 seconds. For mature orchids, soak the leaves for a few minutes to enhance the disinfecting and disease prevention effect. Next, soak the roots and old growing medium in the same solution for about 20 minutes. This step helps eliminate bacteria, fungi, and tiny insects, creating a clean, safe environment for your orchid to thrive after repotting. Step 4. Treating the new growing medium. We also need to treat the new growing medium before use. This step is crucial for removing hidden fungi or pests and helping the orchid adapt smoothly to its new pot. Soak the new growing medium in the baking soda solution for 20 minutes. Then remove it and let it air dry in a well-ventilated area. The surface should be dry, but the inside should still feel slightly moist. This balance helps prevent the orchid from experiencing shock when repotted. Step 5. Repotting the orchid now that everything is ready. It's time to repot the orchid. Choose a pot with good drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and keep the roots aerated. Place a few foam pieces at the bottom of the pot to improve drainage. Add a thin layer of growing medium on top. Gently position the orchid in the center of the pot. Fill in the medium around the roots. Press just enough to hold the plant steady, but not too tight. Finally, gently tap the sides of the pot so the medium settles evenly around the roots. To finish, you can spread a bit of dried moss on top to retain surface moisture and help the orchid recover faster. Step 6. Letting the orchid rest after repotting. Place the orchid in a cool, well-ventilated spot away from direct sunlight for a few hours. This allows the plant to stabilize and adjust before feeding it any fertilizer. Step 7. Making the toasted rice fertilizer. Now let's make today's special natural fertilizer using rice, but in a completely new way. This method gently boosts energy, strengthens roots, and promotes long-lasting blooms. Here's how to make it. Put a handful of rice in a pan and toast it over low heat, stirring evenly. Toast until the grains turn golden and release a light, nutty aroma. This activates nutrients in the rice, making them more soluble and easier for orchids to absorb. Once golden, transfer the rice to a plate and let it cool completely. Cooling preserves the rice and allows you to store it for future use. Add 1 spoonful of toasted rice into a clean bottle. Pour in 1 liter of boiling water, close the lid, and let it steep as it cools. The hot water extracts rich nutrients and natural energy from the toasted rice. After cooling, stir and strain the mixture to remove rice residue. The resulting liquid is your clear, nutrient-rich fertilizer solution. Step 8. Applying the toasted rice fertilizer. You can use this natural fertilizer in 2 simple ways. Watering method. Pour the solution directly onto the orchid's growing medium or soak the entire pot in the mixture for 20 minutes. This allows the roots to deeply absorb nutrients, especially after repotting. Spraying method. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the orchid's leaves and roots. This maintains moisture, boosts resilience, and provides gentle nutrition. Use this fertilizer twice a month. Regular application keeps orchids strong, with firm roots, lush leaves, and readiness for the next bloom cycle. Step 9. Observing the results after 2 weeks. You'll notice a clear difference. The orchid begins to recover, roots grow wider and stronger, and the leaves turn greener and firmer. This shows that your orchid is adapting beautifully to its new environment. With consistent care and patience, your plant will reward you with fresh, vibrant growth and soon new flower spikes. Step 10. Continued care and development. Continue fertilizing with the toasted rice mixture every 2 weeks. This steady rhythm of nourishment encourages stronger root systems, healthier leaves, regular blooming cycles after about 3 months. You'll see remarkable growth, lush green leaves, strong roots, and often 2 or more flower spikes full of vitality. This transformation is proof of your patience and love for your plant. Step 11. Adding another natural fertilizer, milk and lemon mixture. Now let's look at another gentle, effective recipe for maintaining shiny leaves and boosting orchid immunity, a milk and lemon mixture. You'll need 3 liters of clean water, 1 tablespoon, 15 ml of milk. Expired milk works fine. 1 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice mix. Them well in a clean container until fully blended. Step 12. 3 ways to use the milk and lemon mixture method. 1. Wiping the leaves, soak a soft cloth in the mixture and gently wipe both sides of the leaves. This removes dust and insects, enhances photosynthesis, adds natural shine to the leaves. The antibacterial properties of milk and lemon also protect the plant from fungi and pests. Over time, you'll notice thicker, glossier leaves and stronger overall growth. Method 2. Spraying the leaves, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves, stems, and roots. This helps keep leaves clean, deter insects and fungi. Improve air exchange and photosynthesis spray, about twice a month to maintain the orchid's natural beauty and health. Method 3. Watering the roots. You can also water the diluted milk and lemon mixture directly onto the roots and growing medium. This supplies nutrients from the base up while protecting the roots from bacteria and fungus. When watering, make sure the mixture covers the roots evenly for full absorption. Regular watering with this solution keeps roots clean, strong, and resilient. Step 13. The results of natural orchid care. After applying these natural fertilizer methods, you'll start to see exciting progress. Healthy new roots growing evenly and strongly. New shoots sprouting from the mother plant. Multiple new flower spikes emerging, sometimes up to 4 at once. These are clear signs that your orchid is thriving from root to leaf. Each new spike and bloom is a reward for your consistent, gentle care. Step 14. Enjoying the bloom. When the flowers finally open, you'll see vibrant, soft petals and rich, long-lasting colors. The natural nutrients from rice, milk, and lemon give the flowers a fresh, delicate texture and enhanced beauty. Each bloom is a reminder that love and patience bring life and color, not just to plants, but to us as well. Final words from Natural Life Channel. We've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something useful from these natural orchid care methods. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment. Subscribe. Your support helps me share more natural ways to care for orchids and other plants. Let's continue growing together here in the Happiness Garden, where every plant tells a story of care, patience, and joy blossoming every day. Thank you for watching. May your orchids always stay healthy, vibrant, and full of life.